How to enhance plant safety and operational efficiency for industrial operations reliant on steam flow systems. Let's take steam trap monitoring, for example. Steam traps are a crucial component of piping and steam systems, having a significant impact on performance optimization. How to know if a steam trap is blocked or leaking based on continuous acoustic and temperature sensing. IMI introduces the Neon Sonic, a wireless, battery-powered, ATEX IECEx certified, low-cost, retrofittable sensor that can be seamlessly integrated into solid red or existing DCS SCADA systems. The Neon Sonic measures acoustic levels, temperature, and ambient temperature in a single probe, provides continuous monitoring of steam traps and critical assets, and sends failure alerts to maintenance engineers. A sensor that can be easily mounted on condensate return lines without the need to shut down operations. Digitizing steam trap monitoring eliminates unnecessary downtime and the need for manual inspections. Detecting leaking and blocked steam traps and the accompanying condensate buildup improves equipment longevity, significantly saves costs and prevents energy waste. Digital sites are not just an idea for the future. Neon Sonic by IMI